Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide the Home button in the toolbar in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Now, look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, also known as the More button. Click on it. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, select Settings. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Appearance section. Click on it to expand the available options. Step 5. Within the Appearance section, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Show Home button. By default, it's turned on. To hide the Home button, simply click on the switch to turn it off. And voila, the Home button in the toolbar will now be hidden, giving you a clutter-free browsing experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.